A detective in the YNW Melly murder case believes that Melly is most likely the triggerman behind the fatal shots that claimed the lives of Sack Chaser and Juvie. According to new legal documents, police detective Christopher Williams will be called by prosecutors as an expert witness, where he will tell the jury it was more likely Melly that fired the fatal shots inside the car. The detective, who says he has extensive training and expertise in reconstructing shootings, says his analysis show it is a better bet that it was Melly and not his co-defendant, Cortland Henry, aka YNW Bortland, that fired the fatal shots, though he's not saying it with absolute certainty. Detective Williams says he reconstructed the shooting by looking at the blood splatter and angles of bullet holes and gunshot wounds, and it appears the shooter was seated in the back seat behind the driver and shot the victim from inside the car. He also says that the evidence show that the gun was fired no more than 8 inches from the victim's face. YNW Melly, who's facing the death penalty, tried to have the detective excluded as an expert witness at trial, but the court denied this motion, essentially saying testimony doesn't have to be 100% conclusive. Plus, the judge says that Melly's attorneys got a chance to extensively cross-examine the detective about his findings and methodology. So as stated, this detective believes that YNW Melly is most likely the person that took the lives of his friends, unfortunately. And this detective believes that based on his findings and his methodology that he used to get to that point. He reconstructed the shooting and he took a look at, the bullet holes and the trajectory and the gunshot wounds, and that's the place he arrived to. He also states that it was not a drive-by shooting, because if it were, the car itself would have signs of it being a drive-by shooting. So with that being said, we'll see how all of this plays out in court. We'll see how the jury takes what he has to say, and then also we'll see what Melly's legal team are going to come up with to combat, the side of the prosecutor. If you're not caught up on the details surrounding YNW Melly's case, click at the video at the end of this video and you'll be taken to a playlist that will fill you in on the details.